What's up, my soul squad? Welcome back to the kitchen, guys. You saw that thumbnail, right? That thing look amazing. It is keto friendly, low carb, and I'm gonna give a shout out to Nick's Kitchen. I'm gonna put his link below. I told you guys these recipes are not mine. I'm researching, I'm finding them, I'm bringing them to you as I try them, and if they're good, I'm just gonna spread the word. But go check out his YouTube channel. He has the most amazing keto food, keto recipes, or just stay here and wait until I bring them to you, right? Okay, FYI on a few things. I am on Yelp, and that is YELP. If you guys have my flour or had the flour and you have tried the flour and you really enjoy it, please go on there and leave a great, not be great, I mean, it's your personal opinion, but go on Yelp and leave a, what's that thing called? A comment, a review. Go on Yelp and leave a review. Whether it's positive or negative, it's your opinion. I like to embrace everything because it could be something that I could change to my product. And it's deep, and to get more people, you know, come my way to get that flour. The website is right there on the board. And the website is right there on the board. Say it. Oh. My son in the background doing like this. I'm like, what are you talking about? Okay, he want me to say it. www.SoulfulTLLC.com. Get that flour, you can get it there. And what else? Oh, the notification bell, guys. Again, only 7% of you guys get my notification bells. YouTube is telling me maybe you guys are not clicking on it or holding it or picking all. I don't know what he's saying. Hit the bell to be notified. Hold the bell till it turn gray, and hit the one to say all. And that way, we're sure that you'll get all the notifications. This is what they say anyway. I don't know. But let's get to this video. No more FYI. It is simple. It is easy. A lot of keto video recipes deal with this stuff right here. Mozzarella cheese and eggs. And this stuff right here. Some good old almond flour. Don't have to be this blue diamond. I just put a deal on it for this big bag on Amazon. But whatever almond flour you choose to use. So, in this bowl, I have 1 cup of almond flour. And then they said Philadelphia for cream cheese is the best cream cheese to use. It has less carbs and everything. So I know it's a little bit expensive, but if you're keto, this is the cream cheese that you really need to use. It's the best cream cheese out there. It matches up all the things that they said we need to have when we go into this keto thing. So let me set this to the side real quick. And that's 1 cup of mozzarella cheese in the red bowl. And with the mozzarella, you don't need like 6, it's not even 4 ounces. It's not even half. It's like maybe a quarter of cheese that you need. It's not even half cheese that you need. So I'm about to show you guys right here. So you just need like this tail end butt. You see this part right here? This is about this much right here. This tail end butt. I know the tail end butt of this. That's all you need. And we're gonna place it in this bowl. It's going in this bowl just like that. That's all you need. You need some baking powder because we need this to rise. We want this to rise. So we're going to go in with 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to put the recipe below. So if I don't say it, or you say, oh, what did she say? And so when you get the cream cheese, you're going to say the tail end butt. And go back, look at the video, and watch the demonstration. That's 1. Oh. I put a daggone half a tablespoon. So guess what? I'm going to leave it at that. That's going to be 2 teaspoons. Because 2 teaspoons is a half a tablespoon, right? So there we go. And we're going to do 4 tablespoons of your almond flour of your choice. And it's 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. And that's it. That's all for now. Now, at this point in his video, he has a microwave. I don't have a microwave. So I'm turning my stove on like 3. I'm letting my pan heat up. I have done this already 2 times using the stove. And you're going to stir this up. So I'm just stirring this up to get the cheese and everything in there. And what happens is that you want to put it in the microwave just maybe on a minute, so that both cheeses can get soft and you can come back and just stir it up together. Since I don't have a microwave, I'll let this get hot for about a minute and we'll be back and place it in here so the cheese can cream together. Be right back.
2.
Okay guys, this pan has gotten heated up. I'm going in with my cheese mixture. And what I'm going to do is that I want to make a well, a hole. And I want to sit that cream cheese right in the middle and just let it sit for a few seconds so that the heat could get to the cream cheese and the mozzarella cheese. Once I see that the cream cheese is starting to get soft, and then the one thing is that it's already soft. Because if you use it straight out the refrigerator, yeah, you can do this. But I took mine out, let it get room temperature and get soft. And get soft. So it's already soft. So what I want to do is just, and when you use the stove, it may get a little bit toasty, but that's okay. You want to just all that cheese to crumble. You get inside the thing. You can see what's going on in here. See how the cheese has come together and it's getting melty and soft. That's what you want. When we use the microwave, there's about 1 minute on the microwave so it can all come together. I just wanted to come together. See? Because I don't have a microwave. I don't want one. I don't have one by choice. See how it's starting to look doughy? And my cheese coming together? The stickiness of the cheese. It may take longer than 1 minute on your stove top. I turned it down to 3 because I have numbers. But you want it to be sticky. Just that's how you want it to be. And I'm telling you, this thing will come out so amazing. Again, I had it twice. Okay. I'll cut this off. Back in my bowl, it goes. I'm going to leave this right here because we're going to melt butter. I don't know why I turned the stove off. Back on 2. And we're going to do about 5 tablespoons. No, I'm going to do 4. 4 tablespoons of butter. Got the cheese on my hand. I'll let that melt. And while that's melting, because it's cooling off, because at this point, I have to add an egg to here. I don't want to cook the egg, so it's then cool down. You want to add 1 egg to this. That's just your butter melting, because you're going to need that next. And when I tell you this smells like dough, this smells like dough, like bread dough, you guys. I'm telling you, this thing is so amazing. And it's supposed to be loose like this, because it's a wet dough. Look at that. So let me stir this up. It's finished. Let my butter melt. I'm going to come back with a different sheet, and we're going to put this whole thing together. Okay, guys, we back. Grab your favorite cookie sheet, or if you have one of these black mats or parchment paper, because you do not want this to stick. So you're going to take your dough. When I say this thing smells good, it smells like bread dough. Whoever, when keto came about, some people had to just sit around. You're going to push this over and make it like it into I made mine into an oval shape. People just sat around and they came up with ideas. They came up with ideas to make this, just to make any of these recipes. And I'm still not keen on the sweets, but I don't need the sweets. As long as I get a good food, It's good. So it's up to you how you want to make it, like round or squared or however you want to do it. It's with the baking powder in it. It's going to get fluffy, spread, and rise. So I'm leaving mine just like that. And the next step, what I'm doing here. Cameraman, take this for me. And you know what I need? A rubber spatula. A white one. Let me check this through. You know, I guess we gotta be back because I need a white rubber spatula. And preheat your oven at 400. So I have here, he used fresh parsley and fresh garlic. I'm not buying anything. I done made it twice. I'm using what I have on hand. So I am using a teaspoon of minced garlic. How much garlic is really up to you, but I find a teaspoon is just enough. And then what I got? Parsley flakes. Not that many, but just enough. And to top it off, so now this I did do some fresh Parmesan cheese that I shredded, and just gonna put a little, not that much, just a little in here. And this is what's gonna coat this. And we're gonna stir it into your melted butter. And guys, don't say, oh my God, let's see all that butter. Honey, I got this recipe from a person that does keto, and he swear by it, and I can tell you, I taste by it. Because it tastes amazing. Okay. And you're just gonna spread it. Look at that butter and the garlic, and you're just gonna spread it. Oh, when I tell you, this have your house smelling, I need some water, smelling something good. This have your house smelling something good. And that's it. This is going in the oven on 400, about 10 to 15 minutes, or to the edges are golden brown. When we come back, it's going to be plated. We're going to cut it. I can't wait because I love this thing. We'll be back. So squad, out the oven, cooled down, house smell amazing. And before we cut into this thing, guys, don't forget to hit that bell again to be notified, okay? And don't forget about, guess what, all that flour that's available. You can get your flour, make your chicken smell amazing. It may do something amazing. Make your chicken taste wonderful. There's the, look at me. It's hot and it's raining. That's the email, SoulfulTLLC.com. Go get your flour. Let's cut it to this keto garlic bread. It smells wonderful. Well, I don't know which way to cut it, but get a closer shot. Look at all that good butter and herbs and that parsley. I'm just going to do it just like this. Ooh. Smell good. It's crunchy. Look, I'm cutting. I don't got a good knife. I'm messing it up. But I want to go in right at the center. Gotta look at the back of that. I'm going to have Nick's Kitchen and description below. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Keto garlic bread. Look at that thing. That thing is good. Oh my goodness. Hope everyone joined this journey. Congratulations to everybody who's been on this journey. This thing good. Until my next video, guys. See you later.